Welcome to the holiday season where we love to eat, drink, and be merry. And one of my favorite appetizers for the season is sausage stuffed mushrooms. They're delicious little treats that work well throughout the holiday season. They can be made ahead of time, frozen, and used as needed. So let's get started. Okay, so we have to take our mushroom, we have to take the stem out. Okay, and these will just wiggle it back and forth, and you'll hear a pop, and it comes out easily. We put those aside. Okay, so we finished dicing our stems, our mushroom stems, and now we're going to begin the sausage. We're going to saute the sausage and all the rest of the ingredients and begin our stuffing. Okay, so we've sauteed our onion, our garlic, our stems, and our sausage. And then what we did is we added in the cream cheese into the hot pan after we turned off the heat. We're now mixing this together. And as you can see, it's a thick consistency. And yes, the magic ingredient here is the cream cheese. You could also use mascarpone cheese. We're gonna let this rest for a few moments, and we're going to start to prepare the rest of the ingredients. And that includes some fresh parsley. I'm gonna chop that up. And then we're going to take fresh sage. And this just takes it to another level. It's so beautiful and so smooth and so velvety. And it's so aromatic. It's just beautiful. And we're going to mix this in. And we're going to add our Parmigiano Reggiano, about 1/3 of a cup. And we're also going to add our shredded mozzarella. And we're going to add just a little bit of breadcrumbs just to tighten it up. And we're going to mix this together. Put a little salt and pepper. Okay, so now we're prepared to stuff these mushrooms. Put a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of a pan. Okay, and now we're going to take a small spoon and we're going to start to stuff. So we're finished with our stuffed mushrooms, and we're going to put this in the oven for a total of 40 minutes. The first 30 minutes, we're going to cover them with foil, and the last 10 minutes, we're going to uncover so the top gets crispy and a little melted. And your stuffed mushrooms are ready to be enjoyed at your holiday party. I promise you, these will be the hit of the party. Eat, drink, and be merry. Buon Appetito. Ciao.